Hello. In this video, we will show you how to install our OBD module with the DEF counter reset option on the Mercedes Sprinter 906 with a 3-liter diesel OM642 engine. Using this vehicle as an example, we will walk you through the installation process step by step. Before you begin installing the module, fill the DEF tank to full. Do not overfill it. If the tank is filled all the way to the top, the ultrasonic level sensor may not work correctly. Your package includes one OBD module with software saved on the SD memory card inside the device. Now it's ready for installation. Turn the ignition on. Turn the key to position 2. All warning lights on the instrument cluster should come on. Wait 20 seconds for the system to fully load. Insert the OBD module into the OBD port. Press it firmly to ensure a good connection. The installation will begin automatically. Wait for the progress bar to reach 100%. The installation will take a few minutes, but no longer than 5 minutes. If the screen asks you to turn the ignition off or on, follow the instructions exactly. Do not disconnect the module during the installation. Start the engine and check if the starts remaining message is gone. You may need to repeat the installation 1 or 2 more times to fully clear the faults and remove the warning.
You can place an order at OBDTune.com. Please be available. Our manager will contact you to confirm order details within a few hours. You can also ask us questions on WhatsApp or email. Technical support is available on WhatsApp and email only. Links and contacts can be found in the description.